This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Beatrice Benner. Enjoy this non-restricted, beautiful one-level rancher on 1.3 acres in the Point Harbour subdivision. This home offers 3 bedrooms, bonus room with closetand 2 baths. It has been updated and has an open floor plan with hardwood floors throughout and tile in the kitchen and bathrooms. The kitchen has plenty of workspace and stainless steel appliances, to convey. Relax in your spacious master suite with a large bathroom and jetted tub. Upon entering the home you will find the formal dining room to your right and a formal living room to your left. There are 2 bedrooms plus bonus on the opposite side of the master suite. Relax in the large sunroom off the living room and breakfast area. The large deck overlooks the private backyard. The seller recently spent $8,000 on an inground sprinkler syste. For more information, review the details below or contact Beatrice Benner at 865-687-1111.